Hello guys, welcome back to indodrama channel. So guys, recently India got two important achievements in the field of medical science. In this video, we are going to cover both of them. So let's start. Before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications of my videos. So guys, we have two topics in this video. That is, first Indian vaccine for pneumonia got approval from DCGI and world's most affordable COVID-19 testing kit in India. So let's start with first topic. Recently, India got its first fully indigenous developed vaccine for pneumonia. This vaccine is developed by Serum Institute of India, which got approval from Drug Controller General of India (DCGI). This information was announced by Union Health Ministry on Wednesday. The Special Expert Committee held for this vaccine. This drug regulator reviewed each phases of this vaccine submitted by Serum Institute of India, and after the perfect review, they gave approval for this vaccine named as pneumococcal polysaccharide conjugate vaccine. So guys, what is pneumonia? Pneumonia is a lung infection that can cause from mild to severe. From this infection, the air sacs in the lungs get filled with fluid or pus that makes really hard for the person to breathe because not enough oxygen barely goes to the blood flow. This infection can easily affect youngsters of 2 years age to 60 years old person. Pneumonia can cause due to flu viruses, cold viruses, RSV virus and bacteria called Streptococcus pneumonia and Mycoplasma pneumonia. The main complications of pneumonia is bacteremia, trouble breathing, fluid buildup and lungs abscess. So guys, why this vaccine is important for us? Basically, coronavirus affects the respiratory organs of the body, that is lungs. This causes the formation of fluid in sacs of lungs. Right now, by use of this vaccine, we can treat these problems also. Right now, this vaccine is administered as an intramuscular manner. According to the Health Ministry, this vaccine will be using for immunization for infants against pneumonia caused by Streptococcus pneumonia. On July 14th, Serum Institute of India granted permission from DCGI to manufacture pneumonia vaccine called as pneumococcal polysaccharide conjugate vaccine. Earlier, India only imports this vaccine, but right now, India will develop this vaccine. This is a very great achievement for India and Serum Institute of India. So guys, let's move to the next topic. World's most affordable COVID-19 testing kit in India, developed by IIT Delhi. This is another one great achievement of India. Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, developed the world's first cheapest corona testing kit. IIT Delhi launched this RT-PCR based coronavirus COVID-19 diagnostic kit. This kit was approved by Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) and Drug Controller General of India (DCGI). The approval of this testing kit was given after fully review the kit with all possible measures. The market price of this RT-PCR COVID-19 testing kit is just 399 rupees, which makes this kit is one of the affordable coronavirus testing kit all over the world. The HRD Minister of India, Ramesh Pokhriyal, said that this is a step towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of a self-reliant India, and also adding that country needs this type of cheap and affordable medical facilities for fulfilling the requirements with less burdens. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe my channel. Follow me on Instagram, indodrama official. Stay home, stay safe, take care of your family. Keep supporting me. Thank you for love and support. See you in the next video.